Indian news. Select the category of news you like to listen. Selected correct option. Hello. I'm Shireen Bhan. Let's begin today business news. Business news for today. Let's begin. 7 legendary cars we want back in India. Audi 800 to Tata Sierra, cartalk.com. We are fortunate enough that we got some legendary cars in our market. These cars made a huge impact on our lives directly or indirectly. India is now one of the largest automobile markets. Despite this, there are some legendary vehicles whose replacement. For complete news, click the link below. Moving to the next news. Listen carefully. Fuel prices on March 6th. Petrol, diesel prices in Mumbai, Delhi, and other cities. Money control. On November 3rd, the centre went for the deepest excise duty cut ever to cool prices from record highs, reducing the duty on petrol and diesel by 5 rupees and 10 rupees respectively. For complete news, click the link below. Moving to the next news. Listen carefully. Possible space projects. Elon Musk, President Zelensky discuss Ukraine, NDTV. Following Russia's escalated bombardment of its Ukraine, Volodymyr Zelensky today said he spoke to billionaire Elon Musk, announcing that Ukraine will be receiving another batch of Starlink satellite broadband systems from SpaceX. For complete news, click the link below. Moving to the next news. Listen carefully. Rich Dad Poor Dad's Robert Kiyosaki advises investors how to profit from inflation. Economics Bitcoin News. Bitcoin News. The famous author of the bestseller Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, has given some advice on how to profit from inflation. For complete news, click the link below. Moving to the next news. Listen carefully. Maruti Suzuki Baleno, which variant to buy? Autocar India. We identify the most value for money variant from the 2022 Maruti Baleno range. For complete news, click the link below. Moving to the next news. Listen carefully. SBI vs HDFC Bank vs Canara Bank vs Bank of Baroda, latest FD rates here, Mint. Let's take a look at the latest interest rates offered by Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, Bob, SBI, and HDFC Bank. For complete news, click the link below. Moving to the next news. Listen carefully. Car news that mattered this week. Skoda Slavia, Mercedes S-Class Maybach launched, 2020. Tata Altroz DCA launch details. Cardeco. In the past 7 days, 3 new cars were launched, and we've got information about 3 more launches. This week has been quite hectic with some important launches, including that of the Skoda Slavia, Mercedes S-Class Maybach, and the Jeep Compass. For complete news, click the link below. The next news. Listen carefully. To raise fuel prices from next week amid concern over inflation. Current bike. India will raise petrol and diesels next week for the first time in more than 4 months as global crude prices soar after Russia's invasion of Ukraine last week. For complete news, click the link below. Moving to the next news. Listen. Putin's war pushes up wheat price, benefit Indian farmers. Times of India. India business news. The spike in wheat prices in international market due to the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war may bring some benefit to Indian farmers. For complete news, click the link below. Moving to the next news. Listen carefully. SEX CEO Chitra Ramkrishna may have cooked up Yogi story, says court, denies bail. Times
So
of
that's
India.
it for today business
Business
news.
news.
See you in the
The
next video.
anticipatory
Bye
bail
bye.
plea of former CEO of National Stock Exchange Chitra Ramkrishna was rejected by a Delhi court,